Hello, this is Edgardo, and I'll be cooking hummus for our group project of our nutrition class. I'm going to show you now the ingredients. To make the tahini, we are going to use sesame seeds. We can buy raw sesame seeds and then we are going to toast them, or you can buy also roast sesame seeds. We'll use some olive oil, a pinch of salt. We use garbanzo beans. You can see 50% less sodium. This will be used to make the hummus. We'll use some garlic, lemons, cumin, and to serve we'll use paprika. Let's start by toasting the sesame seeds in a low flame, okay, and always stirring because they could be very quickly turn brown, and you will notice the nutty flavor that is very, very delicious. As soon as it's done, put it on a pan, okay, to cool down. Here you can see raw sesame seeds and toasted sesame seeds. As you can see, the difference is noticeable. Now let's process them. I'll add 1 cup of the sesame seeds to the full food processor, and now we'll process it. I now will add 3 tablespoons of oil, and we'll continue processing for about 2 to 3 more minutes. And I'll need to scrape it a couple times, otherwise the sesame seeds will just get on the walls of the processor. The tahini is almost at the last stage of being finished, so I'll be adding some salt to taste. Okay, and then I'll do a little more processing and it'll be done. Now we get ready to prepare the hummus. To do that, we'll use our just homemade tahini. Okay, we'll use a 1/4 cup of the tahini with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Notice that I have removed all the pits from the lemon juice. Okay, now we have the tahini and the lemon juice and the food processor. I'm going to process for about a minute so they blend it very nicely. Scrape the walls of the processor, and you notice the color has changed from that dark brown to much yummy, very creamy, off-white tahini with the orange juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients. So I'll be adding the 2 spoons of olive oil, as well as the minced garlic. Okay, and then I'm adding the 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, after which I will turn on the processor to mix everything and process again. A 30-second blend. It smells delicious, and look at that, how creamy. Okay, now we are ready to add the chickpeas, and we'll be adding the chickpeas half first and half later. For the garbanzos have been added, okay, and I will process it for about a minute. I'm going to add the salt. The second half of the garbanzos have been added, and then I will run again the processor to mix everything for about 1 to 2 minutes until it is smooth. Smells delicious. I wish you will be here to smell it. So cool. Now, as you notice, it's a little dry. Okay, so I will be adding perhaps 1 or 2 spoons of water to make it a little more loose. Okay, spoons of water to make it a little looser and a little more. And here it's the completed homemade hummus. And to provide with vitamin A, we have nothing less than carrots. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching.